Students, look at the problem where system is at equilibrium. Now I have three masses placed one on another. Now we know what are the forces acting on it. The normal force, suppose in this between this is N1. Then this N1 will be compensated by the weight of the first block. So N1 is equal to mg. M is 2. So 2 into 10, that is 20. Right? If I talk about the second block, suppose the normal force or normal reaction is N2, then we know that this N2 is equal to weight of first block and the second block. So 20 plus 30, that will be 50. And if I talk about the last block, if the normal reaction is N3, then N3 is equal to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100. So this will be your answers. This is how we do the questions when blocks are placed on one another. This we have discussed in the previous example also, कि when we are placing the box, the normal reaction, when I talk about the first surface, it will have one normal reaction and one weight. But when I talk about this second surface, it will have two normal reaction. The normal reaction N1 will act downwards also, and which will be equal to the weight of the first block. So this is how we can do all the question no matter how many blocks are placed on one another. Thank you.